here in the clinic we offer lots of different treatments. One of those is using an AirAlle device. What that does is it's dehydrating 99.2% of the eggs, killing 88% of the bugs. Then we go through, we do a thorough comb out, and we also put a non-toxic oil on the head after the whole process is over. So that oil ensures that it's killing any bugs if we missed any in the first 2 steps. This treatment is highly effective. There's less than a 1% failure rate. We love this product. We love the option. It works for our clients. People are super happy with it and the results that it provides. This is a mild case, not severe at all, so people can choose this option from mild to whatever type of case they have. This option is going to work. It takes care of it in about an hour, right around there. They walk out, they're free and clear, and they're done, and they don't have to do anything else to their heads. Then no more treatments at home. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel to get the latest and greatest information on head lice, things that are going on with head lice, how-tos, debunking myths, things like that. Click in the link below to go ahead and get the information on our products that we've used, and we hope you have a happy and lice-free day.